Hello everyone, so here we are at the tea factory, and here we can see in this factory how the tea leaves are made. Right now we were in the line and the fees was 20 rupees per head, which is kind of cheap. And then my dad was showing the ticket, and then we entered the tea factory. Here my dad was pointing out at the sign for me to show it in the video. Then we entered a place where there was all history and history and history. Well, I have read enough history in school, so I didn't bother to read this. If you want, you can read this and this. And we are moving on. We are very quick to move on, and you can see here the tea leaves. They're spread out. I guess they are dried. I don't know. And now we are moving out of the history room. There was something on the poster, and here are some trophies and something. And then here we saw all the tea leaves. It was like a big process. I mean, yeah, it was. And then here was this auntie standing randomly, and here was this basket carrying the tea leaves. So basically from that basket it goes there and it drops off to the machine, and you can see the auntie picking up the tea leaves. First I thought the tea leaf would be picked up by itself, but then yeah, I was fooled. And here you can see how the machine is going round and round. So after it drops and then it goes round and round, and then here you could see the tea leaves falling. Wait, let me go around and show you. Yep, here it is, the tea leaves falling. And then we went down. Watch your head. Yeah, so after coming down, it comes down through the green tube, and here it gets processed even further. You can see it going even more round and round. This kind of gives me the vibe of the airport where you give your baggage for checking, but these are tea leaves. Yeah, so now we came across this silver tube where the tea leaves powder, I guess. These are powdered inside this tube. I don't know. And then here is the finished product, the tea which we drink. I mean, not drink, we have to eventually boil it. But yeah, this is the finished product. And here are the bags of tea leaves, and here's my mom walking in the front, even my sister and dad. And here you could see so many people drinking tea. Wait, let me go further and show you. Yeah, here are many people drinking tea, and I will tell you that I was really eager for this moment because I really wanted to drink the tea here. This auntie here was giving everyone tea, so yeah, I grabbed one cup, and you could see me holding it. I was really excited. And here are we showing our cups. My mom is really happy. And here's me drinking the tea, and I will tell you, this was so good. Like, I will recommend you to come to this place just for the tea. It's so good. It's so nice. It's sweet. It's so perfect. I love it. How is it? How is it, Papa?
Very good, very good.
How is it? How is the tea? They have put elaichi in this tea. It's so good. You should come here and drink the tea. It's very nice. So here you could see we were entering the tea shop area after drinking the tea. I was kind of sad I couldn't get another cup, but it's okay. And here you can see so many people buying. I guess they all went crazy after drinking the tea, and they wanted to buy so that they could make it in their home. And we didn't buy tea because we had a lot of tea leaves in our home which we recently bought. And here we were entering inside the chocolate factory. We kind of stood here for a while, so yeah, patience was the key, I guess. And then we entered inside finally, and here this lady was giving us chocolates. So here I got 4 chocolates and they were really tasty. One of them was almond and I think 2 of them was raisins, and the brown one I am not really sure, that tasted like wafers. And here you could see the nuts being drowned and drenched in the chocolate. And at this time I was wondering, why are these aunties not even looking at us while they are working? I mean, how can't they be distracted, bro? And here in the next room you can see the finished products, the chocolates. And here you could see I was still saving on 2 of them. And now we entered the chocolate shop area. Here we were looking for chocolates to buy. And here is the list of whatever chocolates we bought on the screen. Now we were done. They did not give us the package. They said they would give us later when we go down. So here we were going down and to see what was there. And we discovered there was a clothing shop. And just beside it, the cash counter was there and the delivery point was there where we could collect our chocolate. And here this auntie was giving the packages according to the numbers which was written in our bill. So she said us to wait until it comes, and here it arrived through that sliding machine. And we took our chocolates and we headed outside. So we have completed going to Tea Garden Factory, and we have also seen Chocolate Factory there. I really liked it. They gave the tea, it was so nice. I have told it previously also. And they have given chocolates. It was very nice. We also bought some chocolates. So yeah, this is the packet. And we are gonna go home now. We are going towards Mysore Palace first, and then we will head home. Okay, bye.